Hello guys, imagine being up country or in that very rural setup of yours where there's no electricity or the electricity is not being maintained well and you have no generators. Is it possible to do welding? Is it possible to run a fueling station without those things? So in this video today, I'm going to show you that you can use solar to run a lot of machines that people thought previously were not possible to be run using solar. So stay tuned even as we proceed to this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos involving solar or green energy. Welcome. So guys, let me show you. Here we have a 5000 watts 5 kVA hybrid inverter. We have our batteries around 600 ampere hour battery pack, which is we use to power our equipments and our machines. And basically that is the setup we have. Then here we have a small cyber cafe with a few computers, laptops. So we use here to do some flashing of phones, also printing, photocopy, some basic stuff that is done in the cyber cafe. Here we sell some items, maybe auto spares. We have the fan there running on solar. And behind here we have our big printer, a Ricoh MP2000 printer. This one is what we use to do printing of exams in schools nearby for schools, and there's no need for them to go to the town. Here in the village we assist them do the printing of the exams and everybody wins. It's a win-win. Yes, so that's another hustle that we are doing here. This thing is consuming around 2000 watts and it's also being run using solar, so it's very advantageous. We are reducing we don't have any electricity. So another thing that we use solar is the fueling station, and this one has a 1.5 kilovolts motor that is also being run using that 5 kVA hybrid inverter of ours. So this one is very advantageous. Also, we are leaving the remote, we are using the sun and also the batteries, and we are running this thing. So let me also show you. We have our welding. Yes, what part a lot of people have been waiting for. We have our welding that is also being done using solar. So this is our guy who does the welding, and we are using that same setup to run also this one. So this one is a window grill that is being designed, or the customer, our client, requested for this, and as you can see, it is working. It is working, and I'll show you. We'll go back to the hybrid inverter and show you that this power is coming from here. So basically this is what we are talking about. We are running using solar, we are welding using solar, we are powering the fuel station using solar. There are a lot of other things that we are doing using solar, and it is just wow. 650. have our air compressor that we also use, run using solar. And the air compressor serves us mainly with two things. One of them is to inflate tires for motorbikes and cars, and secondly, using spray painting in our workshop. So this is how we do it. As you can see, we have this one, and also the spray paint. So that is one of the functions that the solar system assists us with, and it is working great. So guys, telling you that I run these machines using solar is not a joke. This is real and it's happening. So as you can see, some of you may have seen the token meter there. KPLC power has not been, or the grid power has not been with us for the better part of this year. If it came, it's only 1 month. So we are not relying totally on KPLC power, and even we don't require KPLC power. So what we have done is do the investment, and we are comfortable with this system functioning the way it's functioning. There's few cloudy days that it may let us down, but we always recover when the sunny days come. Here in the place where we are in Baringo, the Tiati side, it is working great. So this is Tiati ward, Baringo, where we receive a lot of sunshine. So it is not a problem. And also I'll show you that we run these other machines. These are hot air. We do a number of things. Don't put your eggs in one basket. You diversify your investment. So we have a hot air that we do electronic repairs here. Mostly some phones here and there. And the hot air runs on solar also. We have a screen separator on top there that is also consuming the same power from the solar. So, and it is, so separation of screen is not a problem with us. So we have a number of machines. We also have lamination that is not working. It's gone. We have the filament that has burned and we need to replace. So apart from that, there are a lot of stuff that we are doing here, and we are using solar. So it is basically thinking and creativity, being innovative in ways of doing something, even when you're in the village. So if you want to do something, you can also use the solar. If you have a fueling station, don't buy a generator. Buy this solar system and it will save you a lot of costs. Generators are things that break down always, and imagine you have to put it on, off, when you're selling at 100. Fuel costing 100 shillings. So it will cost you more using a generator, but with the solar system you are saving a lot. As I've shown you, we have the cyber cafe running on solar. We have that printer of ours that is running on solar. This big printer, it consumes a lot of power, but the solar is able to. And I'm telling you, this one is making us a lot of money. So the solar cannot give you the figures, but can tell you it's good money, especially during the peak seasons when we have the schools doing exams. Smaller jobs, we are using make some money there. So this is what we are doing. This is how we are hustling. Here in the village, life is tough. We don't have a lot of jobs, but we survive using this. So here we have our computer where we do some downloads for people want some music or some videos. We do the downloads and transfer them to their mobile devices or their laptops. Here we have our network or our Wi-Fi that is supplying from Airtel. It's written 5G router there, but it's working with 4G, and we are paying around 3,500 shillings per month, which is almost $30. and it is working great actually. So that is per month, the price per month. So this is the village hustle, when you have to do hustling in the village, this is how you do it. So you can even do yours in your village, or if you are thinking. So this one is our batteries. We have this 150 ampere hour batteries, 150 ampere hours batteries. So the other ones are 200 ampere hours batteries that we combined, so that we can get the power. So I'll be replacing this one. So I'll be going to the 200 ampere hour batteries, even as I proceed with my business. This thing, or this mass inverter, has served me for 3 years now. I bought it around 2021, so it has really served me well. And this one is a reliable inverter. That this one shows you what is going in, what is going out. The control panel shows you a lot of things. So I'll be showing you the solar in another video, because I need to climb up to the roof to show you the solar that I'm using. But to tell you is that we have a 2400 watts solar. It is connected up there, and that is what is supplying us with this lot of power. The roof is filled with solar. I'll show you another time, another video. So basically you can see what is coming in and what is being consumed. Yes. Okay, that's the control panel of that mass inverter. And also it has some dongle. You can place some dongle there, and you can do remote, or you can view remote the power that you're consuming. Yeah, that is it.
Where the power is coming from. This is where the power is originating. This is our very well. This is what we are doing. The welding is happening right now. There's 10 pumps being run, 7 pumps. The rest is being supplied by the solar. And you can see happening right now. We have the solar supply that can voltage and current between the two pumps. Then we have the battery. The battery is 27 amps, 9 amps, 15 amps, changing every other day. The voltage is 20 amps. So this is what is right now. The voltage is being done here. So the voltage is stopped. And you can can see it is charging now. 8 amps on the battery. Welding is the same again. And welding has stopped. You see, let's now see what welding is on it. Go. Let me see. I don't know what I'm going to do. Watu waamini ukiambiwa una weld na solar. That's welding with the solar. That's what we're doing for our client right now. And it's actually completing that. We have the welding machine here. Yes. Let's say that amps. These are 200 amps welding machine. This welding with solar is possible and reliable. As long as you have the jewel, the sun, what we are using.
Really appreciate that. I've shown you a lot concerning solar, and I've shown that it's possible to run a lot of heavy duty equipment using solar. I've not shown the solar bit or the solar panels that I'm using, but I'll be showing that in the coming videos. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. Until next time, see you.